If you're looking for a dash cam that can actually capture license plates clearly, record footage in both directions, and can handle nighttime driving like a pro, whether it's an accident behind you or just driving in low light, this 4K front and rear dash cam has you covered. Let me show you guys why this might be the only dash cam you'll ever need. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we're showcasing the Redtiger F77 front and rear 4K dash cam. So here's a little unboxing to show you what's in here. Beautiful packaging. And then we got a nice little user manual right here. And then we also have the quick start guide that you can read through. It'll help you get started, download their app. And actually all their footage is stored on the app. You do not need an external SD card with this. We got these little transparent stickers that you stick the dash cam onto. And we do have the two cameras, the front and rear right here, as well as a hard wiring kit. So you get the option to hardwire it in order to have the parking surveillance. So here's the front and rear dash cam. Once you pull it out of the box, we're gonna go ahead and install this in my Subaru BRZ and show you guys what it looks like. So here's a really long cable for you guys to attach the rear one to the front. So it's long enough for an SUV. With a car like mine, you can just stuff the extra cables in the headliner. We got little clips to attach the cable to. And then once you get it stuck to the front, the dash cam should power on once you plug everything in. It's a really easy install. And powered right up, asks you what language you'd like. And you get to choose your time zone. And once you choose the time zone, it will show you the front and rear dash cam if you have it all hooked up correctly, and it'll start recording on its built-in storage. And we attached the cable all the way through the headliner here, through the side, and all the way to the back of the car. So pretty easy to do that and just stuff it into the headliner there. All right, so here we have the dash cam footage. This is the 4K front camera. And even if you just zoom in right here, you can see every single detail on this car, read the license plate clearly, and even see the license plate frame. So I'm very impressed with the dash cam quality. I've had so many dash cams in the past. I've had one on every single one of my cars. And even if you pan over to this car over here on the side, you can even read their license plate clearly. So if anything did happen or you witnessed an accident, if you did get into an accident, then this dash cam would definitely pick up every single little detail that you need for proof of that. And I just think it's really important to protect your investment. So a dash cam isn't even that expensive if you think about it as some insurance for your car. Anyway, we have some rear footage of this same exact clip that we just played, and looks beautiful. There is a little bit of a reflection just because my Subaru BRZ has such a small trunk, everything's so close to the glass that you do see a little reflection there on the glass. But even with that, you can still see the license plates clearly. You can see the license plate of the car passing right here, and even right behind us you can see the person right in the car there, and every little detail on that Subaru. So this was also really impressive. And even with how bright it was out and the sun shining straight down onto the car, I'm just very impressed with the quality of the Redtiger F77. Definitely recommend you guys check it out. All right, so I recorded this footage early morning. It was like 5 a.m. Sun was about to come up. It already looks pretty bright in the video, and that's just because of the sensor they have in this camera. So even at night, they have a really nice sensor for night vision, so it makes it a lot clearer at night. But you can even see, you can read signs clearly, and everything looks really good. It almost looks like it would be 7 o'clock in the morning, not 5 o'clock. But I was very impressed with the quality here. I just wanted to show you guys different lighting footage just so you can see the quality. And then here's the rear footage as well. Obviously you get a little bit more of a reflection when it's darker out. And that's just normal, but everything else is clear on there. Even with the reflection, the quality of the video is still going to be sufficient in case anything happened. You get 4K quality front and rear, and all the footage is actually uploaded to your app. So if you download the Redtiger app, you do not need to put an SD card into this dash cam, and it's all uploaded on the built-in storage. And then you can just pull up your app in case anything happened and download the clips that you need. So here we got some freeway footage, and this is right about like 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Sun's starting to go down. The sun is blinding me. I can't see anything here on the freeway, but you can even see, if I zoom in, you can still read this license plate perfectly clear. As the driver of the car, I wasn't even able to read their license plate because the sun was blinding me so much. So I was very impressed with the quality here, with how the camera's sensor is able to kind of take out the glare and still show you what's going on. And then even behind us, you can see their license plate perfectly clear. So very impressive there as well. And then here we have some night footage. This is obviously a little bit less of a clear quality, but it is nighttime. It has a really good nighttime sensor in the camera, and even though the lights kind of glare, you can still read the license plate perfectly clear. But other than that, it looks really good. And then the last piece of footage I'm going to show you guys was some traffic footage right here. So this is me driving home, and a lot of cars trying to merge in, and you can see every single detail on every car. So in case anything happened, I am very glad to have a front and rear dash cam, just as a nice security measure to protect my investment. So if you guys want to protect yourself on the road, get peace of mind, and make sure you've got the proof when it matters the most, then definitely recommend you guys check out this Redtiger F77. Thanks to Redtiger for sending this out for the video. I was very excited to showcase this on the channel for you guys, and I'm excited that we got a dash cam for the Subaru BRZ. If you guys have been searching for a reliable dash cam that delivers clear, detailed footage and records both front and rear, then this one is a no-brainer. I will leave a link in the description and comment section down below so you guys can purchase one of these. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped you guys, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.